Assalamualaikum Indonesian brothers and sisters and everybody. This is South Urals, and if you listen to this noise maybe you can see what happened to here today. MashaAllah. First this is be rain after hard snow. Now this is like silent ice. But silent this is just just word because any noise. MashaAllah. I don't know how show. And of course winter, little crazy winter. This is ice like hurt skin to face. Whoa. Yeah. February, this is strange month. Plus one day February and it's over, March coming, and this is like smell spring to Urals. Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum everyone.